I tell you that one day they're coming to my house. They're gonna knock the door down and pull me screaming out. They'll put a bag over my head and throw me in the trunk and drive me to God knows where. You know it happens every day. Like a disease, they're all on to the teeth. What you think I'm joking? I could not be more serious. Don't you find it strange that we live in this age of no real beauty and no mystery? Not like in the old days, no, not like in the past. They cut you a little slack to keep you on the path. Everywhere I look, I see indifference. But when I look at you, I wish you wouldn't cry. Don't you find it strange that we're both in this place where no one can find us, not even if they try? I need you to believe, I need you on my side. Just do me this kindness, maybe I'll loosen a rope